Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today what we are going to do is another tutorial of Python. And in this tutorial, first we will take the input of the user to give a variable, to get a variable, and then we will take another variable input, and then we will try to make the total of their those numbers. Okay, we will also try with three numbers or four numbers. So let's start. So first of all, we'll write a equals input, so that input gets the variable. Then we will give a prompt that write this. So I'll tell that please input the first number. Okay, then we will write b equals input. Okay, so this gives another input. This gets another variable input, and now we will write please input another number. Now what we'll write is c equals a into b. Then we'll also we need to specify that the variables are of int value. A equals int a, then b equals int b. Done. We have specified that they both variables are of int value, that is integer value. We can only enter integer in it. If we enter any word, then it will give an error. Then after that we will write c. C is the, okay, we will write total so that it will be easier. Then we will write equals a into b. And then we will write total equals str total. So this thing specifies that this total variable is a string value. So string value is simply a value for taking variables, adding variables. Then after that we will write the print statement. Print, we'll write so the sum is, or maybe total. I think I should write the total. And also in the previous tutorial I had told you that we need to add space, otherwise it just uh, gives it without space, the input output statement. Then plus total. Also this plus total should be uh, outside these inverted commas. This also I told you in previous tutorial. Now this whole thing is done, and then we'll run it. Please input the first number. We will input 7. Please input the second number. We will write 10. Here it is. Oh, sorry. I wrote there into instead of plus. Now it should be okay. 6. Then input another number 8. 6 plus 8, 14. Okay, so here comes our output that the total is 6 plus 8, 40. We can also do that with the predefined variables, like a equals 4, and then we will add that a equals int a, that is this variable is of int type. Then b equals again one variable, number. What should we write? Okay, I wrote anything, I didn't see it. And then b equals int b. So this also specifies that this variable is of int value, integer value. Then we will write that c equals a plus, then we will write, yeah, we will specify that this variable is of string type. Done. Now c is the total. Yes, previous time I wrote that total is the name of the variable. This time I wrote that c is the name of the variable. Then we will write the print statement. So what should we write here? Yeah, the total is, then outside the inverted commas we will write plus c. Then also this Python is case sensitive, like if we write small c over here, then maybe I mean it will give error. See the name c is not defined. So Python is a case sensitive language. If we write small c, then it will not accept it. We have to write big C, the capital C, which we wrote earlier, and we defined the name, I mean value of this variable. The total is 4852c. I said that we can also do it with predefined values. So one value was 4848, the other was 4, and it returned with 4852. Okay, so this type we can do the total of two numbers. The same thing we can do with the into, so that this multiplies. Also in computer we don't write this thing. This thing is x. Okay, in real life we write this for multiplying. In computer language, programming language, we write this star type. Then for dividing we can write this. For doing that minus thing, but subtraction thing, we write this. And then now let's see how to take the average of 5 numbers. So those 5 numbers should be given by the user, as who knows what would be the marks. Then a equals input, please enter first number, then a equals int a, that means it is of integer value. B equals input, please enter second number. Then we'll write b equals int b. After that c equals input, here we will give prompt, please enter third number. C equals int c. You can also skip this part, as I'm writing only that input statement, and I'm defining that the syntax of the, I mean data type of the variables. So you can also skip this. D equals input, please enter fourth number. D equals int d. E equals input, please input last number. Okay, and now we will again specify E equals int e. After that we will write total. So here total, we are taking total to find the average, as the average is all the numbers are added, then subtracted by the, I mean added and then divided by these numbers, I mean the number of all the numbers. Like these are 5 variables, so 5. Now total equals A into B into I am again writing into plus B plus C plus D plus E. Then total equals str total. Then we will write average. So for average, maybe I should take small a, another variable. Small a because average is a very big name. And here we will write total divided by 5. Now A equals, wait, it is giving error maybe. I should write here int maybe. Yeah, done. Now A equals str A. Then print the average of the numbers is, why my mouse is blinking, I don't know. Yeah, here I have to give space. Again my mouse is blinking. Plus small a, so that it doesn't give the value of this a, we give small a, which is the variable for average. Done. Now let's run it. I have to give all these numbers. See, the average of these numbers is this. That means if we take the average, then all these marks are average is this. Okay, so like this we can do this. And for taking percentage, the process is similar, and you can take the percentage by switching these formulas. This formula and this formula, you can take the percentage. And so this was the end of the video. I'm also going to upload an HTML video and how to download and install Unity. So wait for that. And for today, thanks. Bye bye.